Hey guys, what's going on? We got some good, we got some bad, but honestly, we mostly just got bad. I did not trade well today, and of course, this is what happens after a hot streak. I've been doing really, really well. There had to be the day that really tested my patience or tested my discipline and my rules, and this is what happened. This is what could have happened the other day on ATAI when I had my biggest day, but instead now I just kept getting stopped out and I didn't make the money. So I told myself I just had to stop. At this point, I'd taken a bunch of trades on it. I was up maybe like 50, 60, $70 on this trade, and then I kept trading it, and then I was break even, and then I was down $50, and then I was down 150, and then that's where I was like, maybe I should stop here. But I really thought that this trend line would hold. We would break above VWAP again, and we would eventually surge and squeeze the shorts out. And that's exactly what happened. We can see that's exactly what happened. But just my timing was wrong, and I was at a risk point where I just couldn't continue. I shouldn't have even taken this last trade here for like 2,000 shares. I lost like 15 cents or something, 20 cents or 15 cents, and I went down from down 160 or whatever it was down to, just over 400 bucks. So I had to call it, right? Like there's this alone isn't really acceptable, and I guess you could say it is because of my size, but my rule is 200 bucks and I broke it. So this made a move without me. If I had maybe it was 3,000 shares. If I had my 3,000 shares here, that'd be 300, 600, 900, 1,200, but that's not what happened, and it's not about each individual day and each individual trade. It's about the long term, the long horizon, whatever. So I guess I'm happy that I stopped. Like, I had to stop. I have no choice. I can't keep trading. If I lost again and got stopped out again, I'd be down 600, 700. Like, when do I stop, right? So anyways, that's what happened there. I feel like the trades were okay. Like, the first trade here was a reclaim of VWAP. I thought we could make it higher, and I made money on that trade. Like I said, I was up like 80 bucks on that trade. And then as we came back down to the 203 level, I took it again because the 203 here from the daily I thought would be super strong. And then I got stopped out immediately. Like, I just had such tight stops. Like, look at this entry, entry, exit, entry, entry, exit, entry, entry, exit. And then finally that last trade that put me down a lot. I think I had too tight of stops because I keep using big size, and I'm really not ready for that big size. So I'm going to go back down to 1,000 shares. We'll try to just keep it at 1,000 shares tomorrow and next week. I might even just take a breather tomorrow and not trade. I don't know what I'm going to do yet because I don't want this to get out of hand, and in the past it's gotten out of hand. This is like where I start to take big losses. So it's good that I stopped here, and I'm recognizing what I'm doing wrong. So also, I want to say you guys are crazy. You guys are nuts. Look at this. This was at 640 2 days ago when I made the video on ATAI. Like, what? All I said was subscribe, and you guys did it. That makes me feel amazing. That is crazy. You guys are nuts. Like, look at this. Analytics, videos. Look at how many views that video has. And likes and comments. That's nuts. I've never had that before. Like, let's just click on this quick.
Hey, guy.
Right here, when I was showing the sub count, was it right here? Oh, come on. Are you going to show me? Yeah, it's right here. It says, there it is, 645 subs. 2 days ago. Now I'm at, like, wow. 785. So again, thank you guys so much. That makes me really, really happy. And I mean, look at this. Yesterday alone, I gained 77 subscribers. And the day before that, there's 40. So you guys are nuts. I want to thank you for that. I'm going to try and focus on that rather than my crap day of trading. I know I can kill it. I'm still struggling with a couple things. Of course, I'm still learning. I haven't been doing this for that long. And this is kind of enough of a loss for me to just kind of cringe and go back and go, listen, I need to just get my shit together, kind of reset, and figure out what I did wrong. So I'm going to go take a break. I'm not trading for the rest of the day. And then tonight, I'm going to go over it. I'm going to go just really look into why I did this. And hopefully I can just improve from there. So thank you. We'll either see you tomorrow or we'll see you on Monday. So have a good one.